The Hörmann Group started establishment 1935, and we have more than 40 factories worldwide, and it's a fully family-owned company. Currently, Hörmann runs in fourth generation, and the fifth is already on board. Here in China, we have 3 factories. We started in 1998 in Beijing, and we had the second factory in Tianjin 2008, and established the third factory here in Changshu in 2018. We are doing doors. Doors in our DNA, and we are door producer. Door producer in Germany, in Europe, in US, in Middle East, and in India, and also here in China. We do interior doors, residential doors, entrance doors, tubular doors, and partition walls for all applications in every building. What was the situation before? We designed the factory here in Changshu, we designed from Beijing. In Beijing we used some other equipment, not Salvagnini, and we had a capacity issues because in 2016, 2017 Hörmann reached a huge order income. And in this time we decided to set up a new location, and this location was decided here in Changshu. And we used all the group knowledge because, like I said before, we have more than 40 factories. They are dedicated in door production, and we used all the group knowledge and actually selected equipment based on the products we want to here produce and based on the market and on the equipment and services which is available here in China. 2017 and 2018 where the negotiations, the technical negotiations and the commercial negotiations took place. There's still people are involved from Italy, from Austria, from UK, and we all bring them together here in Beijing this time. And we also had meetings in Germany and some other places. It was a pretty interesting journey, and we loved the location near Venice to visit Salvagnini factory. At the end, we made it together and we decided to buy the Salvagnini line here for Changshu. And let's say shortly after, we also decided to buy 2 Salvagnini lines for Beijing factory to modernize and upgrade their performance as well. The markets are everywhere different. In China, we don't have time. Once you bring a product to the market today, tomorrow it is already old. You have massive varieties of products which the market is asking, and the market is not waiting for your standards what you have. The market is looking for diversification, for individual products, and every designer here in China and in Asia Pacific have his own fingerprint to every project. So we put a lot of effort to make the best use out of this setup what we have here with Salvagnini together. We have a tower, we have then the S4, we have the P4, that we are flexible and that we have a one-piece flow. We have a pretty well automized factory here, and we also signed a great maintenance agreement with Salvagnini, so the cooperation is good. It's a great cooperation. It's a great cooperation. Salvagnini actually building a big network. Actually, they improved. We all learned after 2019, 2020, we had COVID because you was forced to improve your services here in China and to become more independent. And actually, if you would have fully rely only on services and maintenance which is imported from Europe or somewhere else, we would have suffered. So the decision to go with Salvagnini was a good decision. Salvagnini offers a lot of opportunities, a lot of nice solutions on the market, and they helped us a lot with this setup of our factory. Like I said, we have pretty well equipped all the factories which we're currently using, the one in Beijing with 2 lines, the one in Changshu with 1 line. And we had plans with Salvagnini actually to increase the capacity here in Changshu. We still have 3 capacities in China with a little bit more investment and a little bit upgrade. So we will always keep an eye on Salvagnini's development and would like to see and learn what are you coming up next actually to make the production performance faster and more reliable and giving us more speed and more performance in order to stick with Salvagnini and be the #1 partner together to shape the future of door production in China and in the world. So thank you so much.